We're grateful for your presence today and your willingness to speak with us. Please join me now in welcoming Judge Calvin Williams.
I was raised in the projects of West Montgomery, so to come back and commemorate Dr. King, who gave me the opportunities to come from where I came from, to come to an institution such as AUM, which is a great institute of higher learning, was just a privilege. I mean, it was a full circle moment for me to be able to bring all that together. You know, my background, from where I'm from, to the fact that I graduated from here, and to share in the legacy of Dr. King was just, you know, kind of full circle.
Dr. King's dream was a dream of one America, an undivided America, a together America, a whole America. It was a dream of a truly united America, which could be strong in unity by embracing diversity.
Well, the lessons and pieces from AUM is that it's a diverse institute. Just as Dr. King preached, he wanted diversity, and it lends itself to a culture where you can learn from each other, not just educationally, but culturally. You know, you can learn a lot from the people at AUM, the other students that come from different places, you know, and that's the great benefit of higher education, even more so here at AUM.
And so I would use as the theme for this occasion, together we can be the dream.
The dream continues. We're not there yet, right? And the only way to get there is to get there together. We cannot get there divided. We've got to be together. And that's the idea, is to bring our individual talents and gifts together to make the dream a reality.